The SUNIKA ADTF printer is a game changer for anyone looking to step up their printing business, especially at this price. Make sure to click the link in description below for the best price. This printer is designed to combine professional-grade quality with ease of use, allowing creators and entrepreneurs to produce vibrant, high-resolution prints quickly and efficiently. With its advanced F1080 printhead and 6-color CMYK plus WW system, the colors are incredibly rich, making every design pop on dark or light clothing. One of the biggest advantages of this printer is its high-speed A3 transfer capability. Whether you're producing custom apparel, promotional merchandise, or personalized items, this machine handles large prints in just minutes, saving you valuable time without sacrificing quality. The intelligent digital interface makes operations simple, from nozzle checks to print alignment, while the upgraded motherboard reduces errors, ensuring smooth and consistent output for long-term reliability. Maintenance is another area where SUNIKA excels. The 3-in-1 white ink circulation system and automated cleaning cycles keep your printhead in perfect condition, preventing drying and clogging, even during idle periods. This ensures you can focus on creating without constantly worrying about maintenance issues. On top of that, the printer works on a wide variety of fabrics and hard surfaces, including cotton, blends, leather, and sportswear, giving you ultimate flexibility for different projects. It's also backed by round-the-clock expert support, with remote diagnostics, live video assistance, and fast spare part shipping. This makes troubleshooting easy and ensures your business keeps running smoothly. While the price may seem significant at first glance, the efficiency, versatility, and support you get make it a worthwhile investment. Don't miss out. Click the link in description below to get the best deal and elevate your printing business with SUNIKA ADTF Printer.